hit me. Fasten seatbelts. We're going on a trip through my head. Have good eye. We will hit birds with a slingshot. That bird, that bird. We don't have time to stop. Everything's so strange. We don't have something definite. I want to know the reason. Why does all this happen? Did I do something to you? I'm stuck in a limbo, and please I promise you'll try to better. But I'm stuck in limbo. Have a good and we will hit birds with a slingshot. That bird, that bird. Have good and we will hit birds with a slingshot. That bird, that bird. Okay, I understand you, but that's all over now, right? I understand that I'm not just free and the ass. Close the curtains, the call started. I won't be here forever. Think carefully, but if that's the case, F-R-E-N-D. Have good and we'll eat birds. That bird, that bird. Have good and we will hit birds. That bird, that bird. Don't wait for me today, I will be our important compliment. Fasten your seatbelts. We are going on a trip through my head. Have good and we will hit birds. For slingshot, that bird, that bird. We don't have time to stop, everything is so strange. We have something definite. I want to know the reason why those sounds happen. Did I do something to you? Stuck in a limbo. Please, I promise to try to be better. I'm stuck in a limbo. Have good and we will hurt birds with a slingshot. That bird, that bird. Have good and we'll hit birds with a slingshot, with a slingshot. That bird, that bird. Okay, I understand you, but that's all over now, right? I understand it, I am just F-R-E-N-D-S. Close the curtain, the call was started. I won't be here forever. Think carefully, but if that's the case, F-R-E-N-D, F-R-E-N-D. Have good and we'll hit birds, fast slingshot.